the template's really good as far as lining it up, showing you the perimeter of the toilet. So it gives you a pretty good estimation of how it's going to sit. But while I was doing that, I saw that the back of the toilet and this were close to touching or interfering. Then when you go and look at the toilet, here's the bottom of the toilet, and you can see as it would sit on the ground, this is at a slant, and so this goes even closer to the wall. This is where my handle would be. So where it was, the handle looked like it was just going to touch if you measured from the bottom of the toilet. Right here, I got another inch and a half that it's going to interfere with. So I got a big problem. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this valve off and redirect it. Here's all the tools I got. That is a compression ring puller in case I need that. I have an angle valve, so it's going to go at an angle. And I have another, and that's some emery cloth, because when you put these tools on there, that copper pipe needs to be clean. And to deal with this, there's still water supply coming to this pipe, so I have to turn the water supply off to the entire house. Turned off the incoming water to the house, or opened the lowest outlet, which is actually an outside outlet, to drain the water that's in the floors above out. And now I can open this up, take this as my reminder, turn off the water. You don't want to forget that when you take something like this off. So now what I have left is that crimp ring there. I've got this tool. I'll put a link in the description below for this as well. And you use it to go ahead and pull off what I call a compression ring. Put it on here and it screws on. Male threads for this right here. There we go. And there's our compression ring. The goal is to keep this from 2 inches away from the wall. Okay, so there's our pipe is right there. You can barely see the copper. It goes an inch in this way and an inch into here. And now we just do the final slip on, and this is going to go an inch onto here. So this will be one supply to the toilet itself, one supply to the bidet, and then this is going to connect to the actual water supply control valve. Now I'm going to take that right there and put it on here. So I'm going to have a single outlet turn into a double outlet. Thanks all for watching. Share it, be sure and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.